Welcome to your daily briefing for Thursday, July 13, 2023. The following is a summary, and not investment advice. The global financial trend continues to be shaped by factors such as inflation, digital currencies, and the maneuvers of major financial and global banks. Consideration must be given to India's inflation, peaking at 4.8% in June 2023, driven by unstable food prices, before declining to 4.6% in early 2024. The United States inflation has ceased growth, with data displaying a two-year low of 3%. Housing costs contributed significantly to this decline, making up over 70% of the annual increase in the Bureau of Labor Statistics Consumer Price Index. A surge in acceptance of digital currencies is evident, as illustrated by the Central Bank of Nigeria's measures to counter the consistent depreciation of the naira, its national currency. Major institutions like the Bank of Russia and the Reserve Bank of India display a growing interest in central bank digital currencies. Bitcoin rewards offered on Visa credit cards by the North Sea Block Exchange and Infuse exemplify the growing interest in this area. This aligns with Mercube's substantial $22 million fundraising in their Series B funding round. The trend towards index-related financial instruments is prominent, as shown by the successful collaboration between De facto, Viola Credit, and Citibank, which led to the creation of a €167 million fund. Yet, there is evident financial turmoil in the United Kingdom's retail sector, displaying a loss of £97.0 billion since 2020. Commercial real estate investments are decreasing, showcasing a 37.6% decline over fiscal years 2022 and 2023, which is equivalent to a $62.30 billion loss. The International Energy Agency posits that global demand for oil could potentially exceed supply. This contrasts to the escalated emergence of digital currencies, which has fostered legal complications. Senators Cynthia Lummis and Kirsten Gillibrand are procuring legislation to clearly define the operation of digital assets. The Federal Reserve's decisions on interest rates are widely debated. Senator Elizabeth Warren advocates for the postponement of additional interest rate increases, whilst Labor economist Julia Polak from ZipRecruiter proposes that the Federal Reserve may have effectively controlled inflation. This is in line with the interpretation that mortgage rates peaked with the cooling of inflation and could retract in anticipation of a possible reversal by the Federal Reserve next year. Congresswoman Maxine Waters stresses the vital nature of environmental, social, and governance factors on future decision-making. Simultaneously, the Bank of London is preparing an expansion into the European Union. This involves applications for a European banking license, recruitment of 300 staff in Luxembourg, and a €200 million investment commitment over the next 5 years. Ensuring accurate understanding amidst controversial debates concerning digital currency trends, sustainability factors, and interest rates in a landscape vulnerable to misinformation becomes increasingly crucial. As an illustration, a misleading video falsely represented a Cornell University professor endorsing a cashless society at a World Economic Forum event. Keeping up to date with such changes is integral in navigating an increasingly complex financial landscape. Your daily briefing is gathered from information sources across the web and summarized by AI. Always do your own research and consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.